other day with Miss Hedlund. She's doing this beautiful, beautiful silk on this rug. She's gonna go through and do both sides, and she chose this lovely silk color here, and it's gonna be beautiful. She gotta do this. She'll get this done in a few days, and it'll look really beautiful. And this is a project she just completed the other day. Look at this. This is wool on cotton, and the fringe is cotton. And she carefully chose this color because it really goes with the rug nicely, and this way the rug doesn't become all about the fringes, where it kind of like disappears, as you can see here. And it's a beautiful rug. We love what we're doing here at Oriental Rug Care. Give us a call. We'd love to earn your business. Miss Edlin's over there. Miss Edlin, you want some rugs?
Yeah, I'm all rugs.
Okay. We always have a lot of rugs here waiting to be repaired. Give us a call today at orientalrugcare.com.